Welcome back to Ife's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing oil that you can use if you don't have access to medication. This oil contains antibiotic, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-yeast property. So stay tuned. So to make this oregano oil, I'll be using dried oregano leaves. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oregano leaves into the jar. I'll also add enough oil. So in this video, I'm using olive oil. Feel free to use avocado oil. So when I'm done adding enough oil, I'm going to cover the jar and leave it to sit in a dark place for at least 3 weeks or more. But if you want this oil to be fast, you can use the double boiler method. Just add the jar into a pot of water, leave it to boil for about 30 minutes or more, then remove it and allow it to rest before you strain to get the oil. So with a chiffon cloth, I'm going to strain to get the oil. Oregano oil has a lot of amazing benefits. It has antibiotic, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-yeast properties. This oil is so amazing that you can use it for your skin, for treating acne. This is an amazing oil that has a lot of uses. A drop of this oregano oil is helpful for treating ear infection. You can also add this to your tea, to your food. It will help you if you are fighting cold, flu. It can also be useful if you have allergy, asthma, bladder infection. You can also use it when you have cold and flu. It will help to clear mucus. You can also apply this on your skin. It is also helpful for treating acne, breakout, and also for hair growth. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.